You can adjust both the 1 cup and the 2 cup volumes. Let's take a look at how to adjust the 1 cup. Grind, dose, tamp, and trim your portafilter. Press and hold the 1 cup and the 2 cup buttons together for 2 seconds. The buttons will illuminate and flash. Insert the portafilter into the group head. Press the 1 cup button to start the extraction. Press the 1 cup button again when the extraction reaches the desired volume. The modified volume will be saved. To set the 2 cup volume, follow the steps you used for the 1 cup, but press the 2 cup button instead.